Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of our Disney World series, and guess where we're headed? That's right, Magic Kingdom. Get ready for a day packed with fun and excitement and maybe a little bit of rain. And you might have noticed a bit of a twist. We're rolling with some voiceover again today due to a little audio hiccup. Keeping it simple for the outfit, I have my black biker shorts, black running shoes, and we all have matching family shirts on today with my Minnie Mouse Lounge 5 backpack, and I have a little red bow in my hair. Seamus is wearing black shorts too and his family shirt, and I just have my magic band on. I wish I could remember what I was saying here, but I think I was giving you the rundown for the day. So we're meeting everybody up for breakfast at 7, and then we are going to head over to Magic Kingdom on the bus. We would like to catch the Festival of Fantasy parade either at 12 or 3 p.m., and we do have a supper reservation at 7:15 p.m. tonight at Liberty Tree Tavern, and we also are going to try to catch the fireworks at 8 p.m. The weather isn't looking good today, but we're going to see how it goes. Seamus was grabbing the food, and this was the most stressful part of the trip. At 7 o'clock, I was trying to get a Tron Light Cycle Run virtual queue, but you have to go on right before 7, and then as soon as the clock strikes 7, you try to get into a boarding group. We sadly didn't get a boarding group, but you can try again at 1 p.m. while you're in the park. The 7 a.m. one you can do at the resort or anything, but the 1 p.m. one has to be in the park. This was me trying to pump everybody up and get them ready for Magic Kingdom because they don't know what they're in for. I feel like everybody was slightly let down because of the weather forecast. It didn't look good for the next few days, and it was going to pour rain a little bit later today. But I think we all kept our spirits high, and as they say, a rainy day in Disney World is better than a sunny day anywhere else. Keep in mind that if you're traveling with a stroller, you're going to have to go through a different security line than everybody else. I don't think anyone was excited as me to see the castle, but looking back on this now, I still can't believe we were actually there. So I'm so happy that we were able to experience it as a family, and I just can't wait to go next time. I'm already planning my next Disney vacation in my head, whether it's just Seamus and I or if I go by myself. We headed on over to Adventureland first. Our first ride was actually the Magic Carpets of Aladdin. I think that's what it's called, but Olivia saw this and wanted to get on it. The wait time was only like 5 to 10 minutes, so we all got on as a family. Our next ride was Pirates of the Caribbean. This ride is a classic. It is a very dark boat ride. There is a small drop in it, and I didn't film too much because it is so dark in there, but you should definitely ride this if you haven't already at Disney World. So we headed back to Jungle Cruise because it was only a 30-minute wait. It's actually switched to Jingle Cruise for Christmas, which is really cool, but we did just wait around about the 30 minutes, which was pretty good, and we got this guy as our skipper. I forget his name, but he was so funny. I wish the audio was working so you could have heard some of his jokes. So here we're coming up on the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water. If you know, you know. After Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, we had a fast pass for Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, which is over in Tomorrowland, so we took the train over to Fantasyland instead of walking. Last time we were here, we didn't use this train, so we thought it would be fun to get on the train and head over. At this point, it was pretty rainy, so we stopped and took a break, and then we decided to get on the Liberty boat to do a loop around. We missed the parade because it was canceled, but we did see like the little rainy day parade that they had. Park. It's 10:23. It took a long time to get the buses home because it was so busy after the fireworks, but we're all pretty tired. We had a full day and most of the day it was raining, but we had our ponchos and our raincoats and everyone did pretty good. So we got to ride a lot of rides because we used the Disney Genie Plus lightning lanes. We paid an extra amount for each person for the day. We were able to book a lightning lane, and then once you scan into that one you can book another one, so we were able to ride a lot of rides. We did get the boarding group for Tron when we tried to get it at 1 p.m. But our boarding group was 1:25 and it ran into the time that we went to dinner at Liberty Tree Tavern. I didn't film that, my battery was dead, but we had supper at Liberty Tree Tavern, and then we did the fireworks right after, and we tried to go over to Tron to see if they'd let us on, but the actual boarding group lineup was like really long. Like we would have been there till like after midnight probably. Even though the park closes at 11, I think they would have kept it open until everybody got on, but we didn't want to wait in that line, so we left. That was our only day at Magic Kingdom. So tomorrow we go to Hollywood Studios. I'm just going to get my clothes ready for tomorrow and pack my park bag again, and then I'm going to hop in the shower really quick, and then we're going to head to bed because we're pretty tired. If you enjoyed the Disney vlog, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more. I'm going to upload these weekly, so stay tuned for next week when I upload the next one, which will be the Hollywood Studios day tomorrow.